to present the research project on selection of seeds. So I give the floor to you.
Thank you. I will start just a small introduction about our company, Gullimen Urkorn, and the product that we have. We are cooperating with NIBIO, and Randi Berland Frøseth is our scientists. But it's important to say that this is the first step, and it's a forproject. What is that called? Yeah. So it's the research-based selection of seeds for the development of sustainable food specialties in Trøndelag. And now I want to try to switch like that. So this is the picture from today, actually, outside. And that's the main reason why we have to do this, because we are in the 64th grade north. So the season is quite short, and we need to find cereals that are able to be a healthy and good grain to grow in our region. So that's why we have started this. So we are looking for different type of cereals that we can test out for growing in our region, and to make local specialties, both that are good for our health and also is really tasty. So we cooperate with also Anders Borgen, and are really interested in what he is doing, both with heritage grain, but also new developing. So we will try to find our ways to do this. And I think, Randi, I think that it's best that you just continue. Is that okay?
Yes, I can. Would you share? Or yeah. First, short introduction. I'm a researcher in grain agronomy at the Norwegian Institute of Bioeconomy. And as a background, we have had several projects, which Gullimen also have been a partner. And one of these projects, we were looking at, we were focusing on accessions of spring wheat from the Norwegian breeding program, and see if they are suitable for organic farming and artisan baking. And also now I've just finished a project which focusing on organic cereal seed, how to, in a way, keep own seed healthy, to have seed on these heritage varieties, which is a prerequisite for continuous production of these products. But back to this pre-project, which is just 1 year or until October this year. We are focusing on different varieties that could be suitable for growing in this in Trøndelag, and the farms that are incorporating in this Gullimen business. So at the moment they are growing different kind of spelt, I think. and which is shown here. And we want to, in a way, get more seed of these varieties, which is mentioned here. But we are in this project, as you can see, some of you know this, it is Dala Landbete and this Ella wheat, blue wheat, purple wheat, and also not a modern, but variety. It's from this 1970s, I think, Runar, which has grown very well in our former projects. And this Ås wheat is also a variety that we want to try, which is, I think, we have not tried in Trøndelag. So do you have more of the list? Yeah, Ammer. We will also try rye, Vågenes, which is from the north of Norway. Breed for this region. At the moment, I would say that there are no breeding for the north of Norway, neither for the mid of Norway, but just of the south of Norway. So that's why we are especially interested in cooperation with with you that may have some varieties that could be feasible for this region. Okay, in our list there are barley, Bere barley. I think it's coming from the Orkney Island. We have this babushka barley and barley from the north of Norway, Dønnes barley. And from this year, we will also try these black oats and pool oats, which is also a former breeded barley for the north of Norway. Okay. You can add if you want, Turen.
Yes. So this is a series that we find interesting, and if you all have ideas of things that we should try to grow in our region, we are happy to get the names and maybe also grain. That would be really good. As you saw in the picture, we are not really ready to start our seeding season yet, so it's still time to get some more samples so that we can try it. And when we are finished growing season, we are harvesting everything and we will test everything, and we will find suitable ways of using the grain. So this is a picture from earlier test baking that we did, and then we also, if it's not good, if it's not good for baking, it might be that it could be good for something else. So that will be also a part of the project ahead. But we need to find out where to go, and I think also that it will be really, really interesting to cooperate with a lot of you that has lots of interesting projects going on. So we probably will have a quite interesting variation of seed growth in the north. So I hope that that you also can be interesting to cooperate with us.
Yeah, and we are, and I am especially interested in reports and articles on cereal varieties suitable for our or cold climate conditions, suitable for organic farming, for human consumption, and also if there are any that are dealing with health aspects regarding these varieties. And for us, the overall aim with this pre-project is for planning for future research and development activities. Yes.
Thank you.
So we continue